All the students, they know what I mean. Baby, let me show you how I lead.
Like Mario.
Look at this. This is my shrub. When we do a dance, yeah, we do it like what?
Like Mario.
Side to side. Personal ah, side to side. Personal ah, side to side. Personal ah, side to side. Like Mario. Here are some tips. 3 deep. When you deal with people, beyond the creep. Domesticated objects. An antique. Use it with pets too. Mine's asleep. Damn. Yama ah ea. Yama ah ea. Pero me gusta ah ea. Ejemplos. Can't you tell? Ghetto toe car IT. Take you back to the hotel. But there are times you shouldn't use the personal I. Let me spell it out for you. These two are tricky. I bear to nerd. Eliminate the I. Yeah, that seems fair like this and like that. Gotta know where the personalized at. Prepositions don't go in the back. Mira a mi cuñando un ho. Battle like Mario, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side. I dance like Mario, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side like Mario. We're brown, we get down. You guys get what we mean? Personal I to the beat. Mira a mis pies, yeah, that means feet. Looking real good, we're understood. Toca a mis jeans if you know what I mean. Pockets full of feria, don't catch malaria. Miras a mis ojos, yo papi te quiero. This is your last chance, don't ignore. Listen till we got till you're sweating out your pores. Just like that, yeah, I like that. Un perro, persiguiendo un cat. Hey girl, hey, won't you play that same track? Wind it back, I can dance to that. Get it? I'm me. And I ain't going home solo, cause I dance like Mario, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side. Personal I, side to side, like Mario.